This is a Honda lawnmower. The model number is HRM215 with a plastic deck, and it has the issue it won't roll back. Seems like it got caught on something when I tried to pull it backward. Okay, pull all the gears off, both wheels, and I found this lever adjustment is very stiff. I couldn't move it, and then I sprayed some WD-40 in there and tried to work it loose, and you can see the transmission is moving, so the tranny is still good. And I think the problem is that the drive shaft comes out, and there's a bearing here and here got stuck. Now it's moving. Try to increase it with some WD-40. And this is not the Honda tranny, this is Spicer. Alright, let's put everything back and see if that fixes the issue. Should work. It clicks on one way and turns on the other way.